Hi there, my name is Katie and I'm with Sola Wood Flowers. Today we are going to be taking an ordinary box that you would use for your card holder at your wedding, and we are going to turn it into a beautiful Sola Wood flower arrangement. We are still going to use it as the card holder for our wedding though. We are just going to spice it up a little bit with some beautiful flowers and filler. We have this fun kind of vintagey travel style box that we're going to be using. We're going to plop a piece of foam in there and add some little pieces of filler. You can use faux filler, preserve filler, or even dried filler if you prefer. Whatever matches your wedding, go ahead and go for it. We are just taking these larger metallic style leaves and just kind of covering up the majority of that floral foam. We have some sticks that we're going to be using as well. These are just some little decorative type twigs. And we are going to use that as kind of a base for our flower arrangement. We have some beautiful shades of purple here, as well as some natural raw Sola Wood flowers. We are going to start adding in some of our silver dollar eucalyptus, which is everybody's favorite, and some other types of little pieces of faux filler. This is such a fun way to take a kind of a plain box and turning into something a little bit more special for your big day. Thank you for joining us today and happy crafting!